Hey YouTube, it's Jazz and welcome to my channel. As you can see in the description of the video, this video is going to be an unboxing of my y'all, I can't do that. Anyway, this video is going to be a video of the unboxing of my Moxi skates. I got my skates, yeah, and they so cute. Yeah, I put them on my feet. Yeah, and I'm a skate. I can't find nothing else around with that. But anyway, that's why we're here. I know why you're here. You know why I'm here. So let's just get to it. So this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Here goes my skates. Y'all, it took so long. Well, it felt like a long time. It took so long for them to get here. I was like, man, my package is lost. I didn't see it moving. But these are my skates. So here are the Moxi skates. This is a huge box. I got them in a size 7. So I normally wear a size 8, 8.5. So the sizing chart says that I should order a 7. So that's what I did. I went by the sizing chart and we're about to open the skates. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. It comes with a card with the YouTube channel on it. That's pretty much it. Cute little tissue paper. And my new babies. How cute are these? Oh, here are the toe guards for the skates. And like I said, this is a size 7. They feel pretty heavy, but no heavier than the other skates that I've skated with before. So this is the 7. And we're not gonna worry about that because I'm gonna fix my wheels and my trucks and whatever else it is I'm supposed to fix because I'm learning. I've never owned a pair of skates before, so this is my first time owning a pair of skates, and I've been learning a lot from YouTube. So that is that. Oh, and it also came with the skate tool, the little crab, that's what they call it, the crab tool. And I do have a left foot and a right foot skate. Ooh, how cute are they? Before I try them on, I just want to show you all the skates up close. And the tongue on the skate is pretty padded, feels comfortable. And this is the lining with the little bunny rabbits and other little creatures. And it does say it's a size 7 on the inside, so I do have the correct size. And that's pretty much what it looks like. Feels pretty sturdy. Feels good to me. It feels like I'm going to have some ankle support, which I'm definitely gonna need. I need ankle support. So if you need ankle support, this seems like it'll be a pretty good skate for you. So I'm about to try it on. I got on the skates and they fit. Yeah, I can't dance. Don't mind me. I haven't skated in a long time, but these are the shoes. I mean the skates, not the shoes, but the skates. They do fit, like I said. I wear size 8, normally 8, 8.5, so I did get a size 7. And let me move on up. I did get a size 7 and they fit pretty good. So, like I said, I didn't do any adjustments to the skates yet, but y'all just stay tuned for more videos on these skates because I want to learn how to do all those tricks that y'all be doing on the street, in the rink, all of it. So my next video, I'll come back with my new setup. I did buy some shoestrings, some toe stoppers, a toe guard, new wheels, but I just had to try them on as is. And I'm so glad I picked this color. I was kind of in between peach and periwinkle, but like I said, I'm glad I chose these. So as you can see, y'all just stay tuned for more videos because I'm learning to skate. So y'all come with me on this journey. If you like the video, like and subscribe so you can take this journey with me as well. See y'all later.